Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. I think you guys already know what's going on here. You just saw my 9-year-old son Yeel make a random scribble on a piece of paper. Here it is, and now it's my turn, Dad the artist, to turn this random scribble into a finished illustration. I like the Scribble challenge because it unlocks your creativity and it's like a sort of puzzle you have to solve. Actually, it's a Sudoku for artists. So I can't wait to start working on this one, so let's turn around the camera and let's get drawing. Okay, the rough sketch is done, and as you can see I chose for a kind of cyberpunk character to draw, and the scribble itself will be like a mechanical face mask he's wearing. Very cool, lots of details. Now let's tighten things up with pencils. Pencils are done, we made all the important decisions in this drawing process, and it's time to hit the last phase, and that is inking. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the drawing I made based upon this random scribble my son made. I really recommend you guys to try this challenge at home as well. It's great fun. And if you like this video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!